Hey there, it's Christine, cooking with Christine, but I don't know if it's cooking if you don't actually heat anything up, cook. Anyways, so I wanted to share, oh no, oh there it is, hold on. I wanted to share, oh I see somebody here, I wanted to share something. This is an old cookbook I have. I went to LA weight loss and I got this really cool cookbook and I've got all these tags of these great recipes and I've only used one recipe out of this book, so it's time to start using this book. So one of my favorite recipes, the only one I ever used out of here, is, I don't even know what it's called, but so I'm gonna show you. It's so super easy, and if you want the recipe, shoot me a message, I'll look for it. I looked through the index quickly and I'm like, oh, you can't find it, but I just know off the top of my head how to make it because I've adjusted what goes in it slightly because I liked more of some of the things. Anyways, so first thing, I like the French vanilla yogurt, not the regular vanilla yogurt. So for one whole can, plastic thing, not can, of these. Then, hold on a second. Let's see if I can show you. Then I've already cut up 2 celery stalks, and I put the extras in the fridge already. I've cut up some grapes. I'm going to do more because what I have here is probably half as much as what I want in there. And then I'm going to cut up and dice these apples. I'm going to put them all in a big bowl and I'm going to mix it together. And to stop the apples, oh, I got to adjust the camera. Stop the apples from browning, I'm going to use some lemon juice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if somebody's been using my bowl. Anyways, I got this fantastic deal from Tupperware. Love this great big, like I'd put it over my head, but I want to put food in it. So I got this great big bowl. Anyways, so, and I've got to do one more apple up. But I just wanted to show you, this is what, I should have cut up that other apple and put it in. But anyways, this is what I'm going to be making. And I'll put it all together. I'll take a picture of it. This is like the most delicious, yummy thing that I actually know how to make, I think. Well, Pierre might say apple crisp, but healthy anyway. So it's healthy. I'm trying to get on a health kick. So you should be eating fruit and vegetable, and so there's celery and there's grapes and apples, so that's good for you. That is Christine for today. So if you have any questions about it, you want the recipe, I'll look it up, I'll screenshot it, send it to you. Thank you for watching, and Christine's on a health kick, so stay healthy.